Welcome back to another Rentvine Academy. I'm your host, Alex Cordoves, sales engineer here at Rentvine. And our dev team does not stop, guys. New feature today. You're going to be able to categorize your deposit types in your chart of account settings to use them in your rent sign, email, and letter templates. Super easy setup. We're going to navigate to your settings. We're going to scroll down to your chart of accounts. I'm going to use a cleaning deposit as an example. The reason being, you need to have a liability account type for this feature to work. So we're going to take a look at our cleaning deposit. I'm going to select edit, and I'm going to scroll down. Is track the security deposit must be enabled for this feature to work. And now you're going to see this drop-down menu appear. I can select a deposit type. So I have general, pet, cleaning, key, and other. In this scenario, we're going to use cleaning, and we're going to save. So now I've saved this cleaning deposit in our chart of account settings. I'm going to take you to RentSign to show you how that looks. Let's go to the builder here. I'm going to search in the hot fields, deposit. And you're going to see how the system breaks the different deposit types down. So you have your general deposits, your pet deposits, cleaning, key, and other deposits. Another change too is we have specialized deposits. This isn't an option in the drop-down menu, but their specialized deposit takes a look at anything that's not categorized as a general deposit. So your pet, cleaning, key, and other are considered specialized, and you can add them as a bulk amount in your rent sign documents as a hot field, and of course in your email and letter templates. Our dev team doesn't stop, guys. Come back next week for a new Rentvine Academy. Have a good rest of your week.